anniversary to one of the most ridiculous DIY automotive projects that I've done was taking this condenser evaporator core unit out of this Dodge Neon. It was kind of frustrating because I felt it was a design flaw. It was very difficult to get to. It was time consuming. You had to disassemble the whole dashboard in this Neon, this Dodge Neon, just to replace the evaporator core and the heater core. Not only that, I had to remove both front seats. And some of the molding around the gear shift. What a mess. It took 2 days because I had to stop, had other things to do. But this was the most ridiculous DIY automotive project I've done. And all the little screws, and once you thought you got everything out the way and ready to move the unit out, it still wouldn't move. So I started cutting stuff. I took my hacksaw and started cutting stuff to get this thing to move. It's coming out. Then once I got it out, replaced the evaporator core, the heater core. I ordered the parts out on eBay, replaced them, got them back in place. When I went to reinstall this, two of the screws that was connecting the line to the core, I believe it was the evaporator core, they were damaged. I could not reuse them. I went to AutoZone. I went to Advanced Auto. I went to O'Reilly's. Nobody had those metric auto screws for my evaporator core to get it to reconnect. I was frustrated all over again. Finally, I thought, well, I have to find something. So I went to Home Depot. You say Home Depot? I went to Home Depot. They have a section with specialized screws, the hex screws, the specialized screws. They have a line of drawers. And guess what I found? I found two screws that fit, hex screws that fit this unit. I was able to get them in, and they fit wonderful. The most ridiculous DIY automotive job I've done, removing this whole dashboard, the seats, the center console, just to replace the heater core, the evaporator core in this vehicle. It was crazy. It was educational. It was crazy. I learned something, but it was crazy. The most ridiculous job. Why did they design it like this? Was it to save money? Couldn't it made it, the design been more simple? I think I made 5 videos just dealing with this.